I used to take construction skills and management over at the technology campus during my junior year, and I had a teacher there, Mr. Wooten, and he transferred here to industrial technology, so I just followed along with him because I really like him as a mentor. He's very kind to me. He helps me a lot. Whenever I don't understand something, he takes the time to explain it all to me and to make sure I understand it and to make sure I get it and that I can use it in the real world.
Mr. Herschel is an extremely good stick welding teacher. He helped me out a lot, made me become the good welder that I am today. Also, Mr. Carson is an extremely good TIG welder and helps me out a lot with all my projects and anything I need help with.
My professor, Bill Kellerhall, on Tuesdays and Wednesdays, he was in the Navy for a long time on a submarine. He has a bunch of cool stories about that, a bunch of awesome stories about being in the industry for 20 years. He did a bunch of stuff around here with different laser companies, and he has so many stories and experiences, and he really helps me out, and Bill Kellerhall's a great guy.
Our teacher, Mr. Wooten, has definitely been a big inspiration for me. You can see the passion that he has for this. He wants us to get jobs, he wants us to improve. He really does care.
Really, I actually am very appreciative of all of my instructors in my program. Every single day, they push us to achieve things that we didn't think we could do before. They work beside us, not just above us, in order to help us reach our goals, and they take us very seriously, and I appreciate that.